Shiloh, Shiloh, go back there. Go back there. Go. Don't follow mommy. Go there. Shiloh! Our house is for sale. Who wanna buy my house? Washroom is there. Why it's too dark? Shower. My bed. Master's bedroom. Guest room. Another room. Shiloh is not for sale. Oh shit. My slipper was dusty. Shiloh is not for sale. Shiloh's good boy. Mommy will keep Shiloh, okay? No, no. You sit. Good boy. Go, where's your toy? Go find your toy. Where's your toy? Go get your toy. Where's your toy? Lala. Here. You stay there. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. You stay, okay? This is our backyard. Just cut the grass. Me and Shiloh cut the grass. Oh, what's happening? In floor heating. In floor. Chai, you stay there, Chai. You stay. Stay. Put another bedroom here. Our Rick room. This is our gym, my gym. But I'm lazy, so I seldom come down here. Okay, okay. Shower in the basement. If you want to sleep over, this is your shower. It's not done yet because we need to put like a sliding glass door and mirror. It's our laundry room. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Where's my dog? Hala! You're not allowed there. Come here. Shiloh, eh? Come here, boy. I hope you didn't pee because you're gonna be in trouble. Come here. Daddy will get mad. Come here, boy. ulo. Just a second. He won't listen. If I don't get mad. This is Shiloh. And Shiloh is cute, but hard-headed sometimes. Palo na eh, palo, 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 palo. Palo eh, bat. Come on. Come on. Come here. This is our addition. We used to hang out here with coffee in the morning. Hey, and that's my box. I already sent like 3 boxes to Philippines, and that's the 4th one. I'm not done yet. So, okay. So, there's our swimming pool there, but we don't really use it because we don't have money to fix it. Need like $30,000 to fix it. Anyways, we're selling our house because we're moving to Waterfront in Godrich. Okay, so bye. Shiloh, come here. Say bye. Shiloh. Bye. This is my go boy.